Hey, what's going on? It's Gary Geiman with Salvo Media, and I want to give you a useful tool to help you build social proof as well as build content for your different social profiles, your website, your Google My Business listing. You see, when you are searched or someone decides that they might want to use your services, a lot of those same individuals are going to go look at your reviews. Reviews are key to showing socially that you're a good business. It's also good to Google, adds credibility so that your profile is lifted up in the rankings. But when you mix reviews and video, it becomes a really powerful tool. So I want to give you a couple of tips that you can use if you're by yourself, solo operator, or if you have crews out in the field, you can do this. The first thing that you can do is you can add your crew leaders or crew members as editors to your Facebook page. Well, why would you want to do that? Well, what you can get from that are your crew members providing content while they're out in the field. Incentivize them to get reviews. What we would do is we would offer our crew members $25, and this would be to the crew leader, $25 for any video review. So what that meant was they had to pull out the old phone, and we gave them a script to talk to the homeowner to prepare that homeowner for a video review. So how it would go would be like this. The crew leader would go to the door to say, hey, we're here to do your service. Let's take a walk around. And so they would do their walk around, ask for any problem areas, and then when they got done, say, hey, it's probably going to take us about an hour and a half to complete the service. When I'm done, I'm going to have you come back out, walk around with me, and if you don't mind, it would really help me if I could get you to do a quick 15, 20-second review of our service on video. Go away, finish the service, obviously do a great job, phenomenal job, come back, and do the walk around, and the crew member would say, hey, if you don't remember, I really could use your help in you helping us by providing a live video review. All you have to do is talk into my phone, pulls out the phone, and do the review. So what we would teach them is to pull up the business page, open up a post, put the customer's name and the words video review, and then go live on Facebook. And then that customer would speak, and you're getting raw video live on Facebook of someone reviewing your service. Look, Facebook doesn't give any more credibility and time on the wall to live video than anything else. Live video is what Facebook loves. So if you're doing a live video review on your business page with your customer, you're getting access to the most number of your page watchers that you possibly can. Then, once you have that video on Facebook, you can download it and do a bunch of different things with it. And I'm going to get into that in a second. Well, Gary, I'm not comfortable giving somebody editor privileges on my Facebook page. Well, then you probably need to rethink if they should be an employee or not. But if that's the case, then what you do is you just have them record a video on their phone. Try to keep it under 30, 45 seconds. That way it's easy for them to send to you via email. And you want to have them send it to you via email or put it in some type of Google Drive or Dropbox so it's easy for you to get to it. And then you have an MP4 file that you can do all kinds of things with. You can post it on Facebook, other social media accounts. But either utilizing Facebook Live or a phone video review and the customer giving a raw video of your service, phenomenal way for you to get video reviews. Here's some added benefits that you can do with those. So let's say you have a couple of crews, and throughout the week you get 4 or 5 video reviews, because they're not going to get a video review at every house. Look, customers may not be home. Some customers are a little camera shy. So let's say each crew gets 1 or 2. You have a couple crews. You got 5 of these videos. What you can do is download the MP4s from the Facebook Live. Download those MP4s. Cut and edit them together. There's all kinds of plans out there. Cut and edit them together, and you have a social proof video that you can use in an ad. You can put it on YouTube. There's all kinds of things that you can do with that. The other thing you can do is load those videos into your Google Drive, rename the video, keyword and location that you're in. So pressure wash Cincinnati. review video is what I would name it, and then go into your Google My Business listing. As long as it meets the requirements, upload that video. You can put it in your Google posts. You could add it to your pictures. Add it to the area where people are going to look at your review. So you have an ad asset in terms of that video. You have a YouTube asset that you can put your keywords and link your website to. And you have a Google My Business asset in that video review. There is nothing more powerful than a video review from a customer to get other customers and other prospects to use your service. If you do this on a consistent basis, you'll begin to see a couple of things happening. You're going to begin to see more people interacting with your ads, interacting with your YouTube channel, interacting with your Google My Business listing, which is going to create more leads. And when you have more leads, you make more money, you begin to dominate, you dominate your business.